Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AVXL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice bounce. I mean, when you consider that at one point the price was all the way down there, and that by the time the closing bell rang, the price had managed to get all the way back up there, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls have definitely made a very nice bounce on the day. That does lead to the valid question, though, of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this $2 mark here, that green line. Why is $2? Why is that green line so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $2. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart where it was when it was flirting with those lows. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price does something like this, pulls back, bounces around, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have that low down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying that phrase, make progress, as $2. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, at this point in time, it's all about the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Going back through the history of the chart, you can see it has acted as resistance several times. So keep an eye on that. That'll be the key level that will need to be broken if this bounce has any sort of chance of gaining more momentum. But as it stands right now, there's no doubt about it. The price is bouncing. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this bounce? Can the price build upon this momentum? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.